there, I'm Catherine for Loftrue, and these are the Loftrue travel bottles. They're really easy to use and very fun. You just have to unscrew them and fill them up with your favorite lotion or do-it-yourself product. They fill up very easily and very fast, which is nice. And then for the best performance, you're going to want to put the bottle back on, invert the bottle, and tap it a few times on your hand. Take the top off and then give it a few pumps and your lotion is ready to go. As you continue to use this pump, there is a plate at the bottom. It's going to push upward, which is really nice, so you aren't going to waste anything. It pumps all the way up until the very last drop, and then when you're done, this one we finished up, you're going to take your brush here, and you can use the top or the bottom of it, and there's the plate, and you're just going to push it down. So super easy to use, super easy to clean and refill. Have fun with these amazing travel bottles and have a great day.